Howdy there, YouTubers. Mr. Derek Nader here in Delaware. As you can see outside, we're in a severe thunderstorm warning. Got some non-stop thunder that's coming from Milford or Delaware. Just look at that. And that's the rain right there. Wow. I've never seen it this dark before. This is intense. Yeah, we got a severe thunderstorm warning affected till 6:15. You can see the rain in the distance just outside of Lincoln, Delaware just now. Yeah, 70 mile per hour plus winds. Got a chance on some ground lightning and some nickel-sized hail in this storm, in this cell. Wow. This is nuts. This is like the first severe thunderstorm warning we have this summer. Yeah, it looks like a little rotation there. Well, I'm going to wrap this up. This rain's coming fast. Man. Yep, some intense storm situation here in Lincoln, Delaware. Severe thunderstorm threat by Derek.